So Fdevice says, "Hi John, what is going to happen with the adjustment of status backlog of interviews? Mine was canceled and I never got any information anymore." That's a really important question because this is happening to a lot of people, and this is people who had adjustment of status or green card interviews in the United States. They got canceled due to COVID-19 in March, April, May, and June, and they were supposed to open up USCIS for this kind of stuff in June 4th. But what happened was they're just focusing on naturalization and citizenship cases to get that backlog out of the way by the end of July, as one source said is their goal. But in the meantime, what's going on? Well, adjustment of status green card interviews for the most part are not happening. Unless it's an emergency kind of thing, maybe you could call it in. You just have to wait until they reschedule it, and the same with biometrics. That's where you do your fingerprints and your photo and all that. Those are all shut down as well, so we're waiting for it to reopen and to reschedule. There's a backlog. The procedures for rescheduling interviews are different. So before, you have all these rooms where people were interviewing. Now they're not going to fill up all the rooms. Not every officer is going to come every day because they want to have social distancing. They don't want to use the same interview rooms back to back. So there's just less space, meaning more delays and all that kind of stuff. So eventually it's going to happen. That's all we know. If the furlough happens, if USCIS can't pay its employees to come, that's going to delay more. But the only thing is, it is what it is. If you have an interview, a green card case that requires an interview, there's just going to be massive delays, and there's no way to know what's going to happen in the future. On the other side, if you have a green card case that does not require an interview, a lot of them are getting approved, getting green cards in the mail, getting work permits in the mail, advanced parole in the mail. If you had your naturalization, ceremonies are happening. So that's the general situation with that.